With rising rates of mental health issues in our schools, administrators push for empathy and kindness in our classrooms.
23 News reporter Jake Pearson shares more on a learning session designed to help educators address the mental health needs of students and staff.
The Regional Office of Education designed the Social Emotional Learning Workshop with 25 different sessions attended by more than 170 Northern Illinois educators.
I'm trying to hold it together for everybody here at school, and I'm trying to be a leader for all these kids, and all these kids are suffering and we're suffering and we're all struggling.
With mental health concerns rising at the workplace, the Social Emotional Learning Conference at Rockford University Thursday demonstrates healthy ways for students and staff to cope with their mental health.
When you can teach them coping skills and to talk about their emotions and to break some of those stereotypes, you can help kids help themselves learn. You're going to be able to do so much better for your students when you are in a good place than you would be struggling.
Molly Lilia is the principal at Manchester Elementary School in Boone County. She says she's learned how to better communicate with her students.
So a lot of kids don't really understand what they're going through in life, and so we're helping them to learn about, hey, those feelings that you're having, those are okay. We're going to work through all of those things, and it's okay to talk about them.
The Regional Office of Education's Director of Professional Learning, Casey Veach, says teachers are grateful schools prioritize growing mental health practices in the workplace.
Teachers are so relieved that these supports are out there to give students and themselves and their leaders these new supports.
Workshops at the conference cover different topics, including trauma response, educator resiliency, and culturally responsive training.
Thank you, Jake. And the Regional Office of Education holds its next conference, the Heart Summit, virtually on October 24th, exploring the impact of trauma on students and educators.